my back hurt from tripping on them. It was aching enough when I got home, but tripping over that did not help. What you had to do is ask, I would take the back out for you. Never had it. I don't like it. Stop on it. This Aquafresh she gave me is 1,000,000 years old. And this Colgate is nasty shit. So I got this credit sensitive teeth. What's the other one? Oh, sensitive and now. No, I just bought it. No, Chris gave it to me. It was Aquafresh. Yeah, Aquafresh. I usually like it, but that's so old that no one come out of too bright. Too old for my taste. Just enjoy watching something in my tank for a change.
I believe you there.
Ooh. I like this cap. Fuck the other toothpaste. Look at this. From now on, I keep that cap no matter what tube I get. There's any toothpaste. Right on, breath.
Alright?
Oh, I'm fine. No, it's situational. Ah.
Man, it's tasty. It tastes like shit, like Colgate. For sensitive teeth and enamel shielding. And I can use all the enamel I can get on these fuckers.
So, babe, if they're babe,
What?
if that tool company guy is in Pennsylvania and it's 2:19 p.m. here in California, I shouldn't hold my breath that he's going to be calling me today, should
Did
I?
you say Pennsylvania?
5 minutes.
Yeah.
That's where the other guy was. Sent you the reamers that were all fucked up.
No, he was in Florida.
No.
Hialeah, Florida.
I ordered for the fucker. I don't know. Ugh.
Anyway.
Wouldn't be surprised if it was the same asshole. That would be almost funny.
I'm torn.
Diet shit. And there's 3 gallons of water to buy.
I figured that.
Cheaper to buy 3 gallons than it is to buy out that great big ass heavy ass crap. Hey, you need another hit?
I refuse to pay more than $300 for them number reamers.
Okay, gotta leak out again. Sorry, fuck it. You're in there. Fuck all of it. Hey, damn ya. Get up there, fuck it.
Yep.
You want to know about nasty? That stuff was nastier than Pearl. It's a Texas brand of beer. Dead flat. No flavor. I mean, the old joke about sorry to inform you that your horse has diabetes, that's Pearl brand beer. Yeah. I was in Yokohama at Bayside Courts in the little bar there. And I had a choice of a few bunches, a few cans, a few different American beers, and Pearl? Hey, what the hell? How bad can it be?
American.
I could have had a Coors. I could have had a Budweiser. I could have had a Miller.
Could have had a V8.
I mean, I'd rather drink Miller High Life than Pearl. And I hate Miller High Life. It's just so...
Not high.
has no flavor. That's just a straight line, like, you know, stable. Patient is stabilized. I mean, it don't taste like. It don't taste like the yeast. It don't taste like the hops. It don't taste like the grain. It just, you know.
Yeah.
Oh. Ah, man. I needed this one to wash the taste of that Four Loko
Well, that's
gold
what I asked for,
out of
but-
my mouth.
Yeah,